Hello and welcome to another Elliott with analysis. Today I want to talk about Microsoft. So we have ended the week down, and if you have followed my ideas, right, I've been calling for shorts, right? Nikkei, Nasdaq, Hang Seng, S&P 500. Okay, and yesterday, which is the last trading day of the week, about 75 minutes into the trading session, the US trading session, I published another idea, right, which is to go a bit more neutral from the shorts, right, because we have reached certain targets and there are some completions of wave, right. So if you look at the Nasdaq, right, we look at the big picture first. I mentioned that this would be a personal target last time, right, in one of the idea on Nasdaq, right? And yesterday, because it's almost like halfway here, and I mentioned to start to reduce, and very early on, I also mentioned to reduce the short position also, right? When we reach this price. Now we go back to Microsoft, right? And on Microsoft itself, I have some ideas published last time together, right? Um, so if you look at this Microsoft, the more recent one will be this 30th of Jan, right? When I say that you could go long and then short, okay, right? What happens since then, right? Long, right, and then short, okay, and then over here, this is where I last plot the intermediate wave one of three, then wave two, and I mentioned that you can short it uh, when because it's a breakdown of the trend line, right? This trend line that I mentioned, right? So it has moved since then, and so this is update on the wave count, right? So over here, I updated this intermediate wave three, right? So we are still on the primary wave three, right? The black color one, right? But this is the breakdown of the wave within wave three. So we have wave one, wave two, right? And then this is wave one of three, wave two, wave three, wave four, and wave five. Okay. So now this wave three itself, okay, what you can note is that the wave one itself is the longest wave, right? Then wave four never goes in the territory of wave one, right? And then wave three is not the shortest wave, right? So it's a good wave, right? And then wave four itself, let's zoom in. Wave four is actually a double combination. Okay, so you have A, B, C here, right? Then X, A, B, C. So this is a W, X, Y, so for wave four, right? Then now we are actually into the last wave, which is the wave five of a primary wave three. Now, what is the target for this final wave, right? If you can see over here, you see that we have already moved one, two, three wave, right? And this is likely to be a fourth wave that is forming, right? And then before we move down to a fifth wave, so yes, it will go lower, right? And how low will it go? Well, personally, I think that by looking at the historical place of support, this is a support zone, right? So I mentioned quite a number of times that support and resistance are not a single price; they are actually a zone, and this is the support zone. So then we can use another method, which is using the Fibonacci extension, right? So we recognize this is wave one, right? And using this, we try to see whether there is any relationship over here, and we see that around this price, which is 363.87, right, we have one relationship, which is the entire wave is equals to 3.618 of wave one, right? And so this is this will be my primary target, right? For primary wave three. Of course, sometimes I would like to see whether there is another relationship here, right? So over here, this is with the assumption that this is the height of wave four. Okay, so if I make this assumption that this height of wave four, then I actually have a target which is here, which is 365.63. Now, for now, this is not a very certain target, right? Because we do not know whether wave four has completed, right? We only can use this method when wave four has completed. Okay, but it's just a good approximation for the zone, right? So it's still within this zone. So remember this, right? Let me just pull it up again. Now just make it more accurate here, right? So this is the entire wave for Microsoft, right? So yes, I still expect another wave down, and the reason why I actually pull out the Nasdaq, right, is to show that there is still a certain distance to the target, right? So both the uh, index and also the individual stocks is showing us that uh, we should be moving lower, right, for the last wave. Okay, so this that's it for this Elliott wave analysis, right? Good luck in your trading. Thank you.